भारतीय क्रिकेट में रिसेंट टाइम्स में शानदार गेंदबाजी जिन्होंने किया वो वाशिंगटन सुंदर है और इस बार वो बिल्कुल तैयार है आईपीएल से पहले। वाशिंगटन रिसेंटली you have been the revelation in Indian cricket, the way you bowled in Sri Lanka. So what gives you so much of confidence in bowling in a shorter format? Because the most explosive batsman of the world plays here. Still, the way you bowled with so much of confidence, so much of composure and control.
I think it's all about believing in yourself, and that's what I've been doing. I've just been believing myself as well as my strengths and basically my bowling. And yeah, it's a challenge to be bowling in the power play, especially for an off-spinner. But then the moment you start enjoying that particular challenge, and the moment you believe in yourself, I think you will have a lot of chances of doing well. You will have a lot of opportunities of executing whatever you would like to execute. So I think that's what I've been doing, and so far I think it's been going pretty well for me.
Washington, I have seen you challenging a batsman, particularly in the area where he loves to play shots. Like I've seen in Sri Lanka, Tamim Iqbal playing sweep shots, and you are inviting him to play more and more sweep shots, and in turn you are getting his wicket. So this is what you love while bowling?
Yeah, it's all about reading situations as well, and I thought at that point of time Tamim would be, it will be a risk option for him to play sweep shot. So I thought, okay, let me try and make him play that. So and in turn I got a wicket doing that as well. So I think different situations I need to be responding differently, but then it's all about challenge, and now and then you'll have to look for some wickets as well. And yeah, definitely everyone goes for sixes and fours, but then now when you could try certain things, few balls, and when you could get a wicket, it gives you a lot of happiness, and definitely it puts your team also in a better position.
So there are spinners who claim that they've got a mystery delivery. So when you came, you never claimed something like this, but despite that, the batsmen were always looked under difficulties while facing you. So what makes you difficult for the batsman to read?
I think my approach towards different batsmen, I think when you bowl to different batsmen, you got to bowl differently, and the kind of homework I've been doing for different batsmen, I think those things have been helping me as well. And basically, as I said, just been believing my strengths and just been keeping things simple. So I think that's what I've been doing the last 10 to 12 months, and I've been doing well so far as well. So I think I'd like to do the same. I'd like to keep things simple even now, and hopefully I'll have a good IPL this year as well.
Washington, you're going to bowl on a ground which is very small and which is in the higher altitude. So whenever batsman will play a shot, it will travel faster in the air. So will it be difficult to bowl in Chinnaswamy Stadium?
It definitely is a bigger challenge bowling in Chinnaswamy Stadium, but then when you could bowl well over there, and when you could bowl consistently over there and perform really well over there, I think it will give you a lot of confidence going up as a cricketer. I think it's a good opportunity. Every year I've been facing different challenges, and this year it's a bigger challenge bowling in a place like Chinnaswamy. I think I should be going in with a few more plans comparatively. So I think I hope it will come good this year, and we'll be able to do well as a team this year.
So how exciting will it be to play under Virat Kohli?
Definitely, I personally am really excited to play under him. The kind of cricket he's been playing for Indian cricket team as well as RCB has been really inspiring, and I would really like to learn a lot of things from him. And at the end of this tournament, I would really like to watch him doing different things and learn a lot of things, and definitely playing under him will only help me get better as a cricketer.